get along someday, some way. We'll leave it all aside and move on. Just get along. Move on. Someday, someday.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
Today we're just going to paint these 3 hives, 4 hives. So this one had the red on it, so it didn't stay on very well. And then the top one needs everything. That one needs everything. And that one is done in silver, and so it's good. I'm just going to put some bee puns on stuff today. Some comments people left, some good puns. For the hives, I'm also going to cover up my hive numbers, just paint them over in white, because the plan is to just put little pieces of laminated paper with the hive number and the queen name on them, and they all need to be changed around anyway, so that's the game plan. Alright, so for transferring an image, I have all my logos on my hives, so I just print out my logos on paper. I scribble on the back with pencil, and then I use masking tape to tape this on, and then I go over the front of the logo with a pen or a pencil, and it'll go through to the back, kind of like using carbon paper. You can also use chalk instead of pencil.
Someday, some way, we'll find a middle ground and get along. Someday, some way, we'll leave it all aside and move on. Just get along. Move on. Someday, someday.
There's a storm rolling in. Oh yeah. A little rain won't hurt us. Bees and rain will not hurt us.
No.
We're just trying to hurry up here because there's a thunderstorm a brewing. So we're just finishing up this. That's probably all we'll get done unless the rain holds off, but I doubt it.
Probably won't. That thunderstorm sounds angry.
Angry. We need it though.
Oh yeah. A slider on this hive.
And you might remember Christy from our bee funeral.
Oh yeah. Sad day that was.
Yeah, I'm just doing this hive now, actually. This is my hive number 1.
There will never be another hive number 1.
Nope. 2, 3, 4, or 5, but never 1.
Rest in peace, Queen Beatrice.
I want to replace these with like little, like laminated papers that say like hive number
Oh yeah.
and their name, like the queen's name.
Oh, that's so cool. That would be
Awesome. Judy should definitely. I added her like.
Right in my way, bud.
Doing good. Nice.
Be positive.
You're a wannabe? Was I gonna do?
Yeah.
Buzz off for Crazy High. Uh-oh, here it comes. It's starting to rain. I have to redo that one. It looks like junk. Holy moly!
Go, you're all decked out again.
Well, thanks for watching. This episode will be continued.
Someday, some way, we'll find a middle ground and get along. Someday, some way, we'll leave it all aside and move on.